Hey, it's here for. And that the Kennedy Japan say in the last phase on Obinim expose no. Or say waba bonte no be expose Obinim and de we are. Wabekwa ko twen. Na se Obinim nkrofo anan nkola ne so ba ebe reply a na basan so ababium na sisi ade asem no we jama police for AD asem no wo mu bisa wo mo afre witnesses and victims are Obinim ne nyama no ode abo mo so atese police oni omo edi nkomo a ni na eda ho na Kennedy Japan again has released another phone conversation between Obinim and Osofo Savior ne yere no ebia na wonim de ekoso Obinim ne Osofo Savior ye Osofo bia ende wo free Obinim asoye a ende wo Reverend Obofo asoye na the entire will free Obinim asoye call Reverend Obofo asoye no ensembebre na nini nemu no se wo no Osofo Savior ne yere na Obinim ere no munti asem ni ye Osofo Savior ne yere no na Obinim ere no because na Osofo Savior yere no na wo ye Obinim made inti enokra ka ho na Obinim ni Savior ebenya nsem bebre because na Obinim emfia so wantiasie se Savior etumi ababefa wono ni meda sebe wobi besie woren kakra a wo ko ware no nti esi Obinim ka se wo mo aware no ebegu nini nemu no they are still married nini aka no Osofo Savior wo free Obinim aso ya ende wo campe wo Reverend Obofo ho. Now this is not the first time Kennedy Japan is releasing a phone conversation between Obinim and Osofo Savior here no. The first time I was releasing phone conversation no Kennedy Japan wanted to prove to us say Obinim are Osofo Savior here because at time ni na Kennedy Japan ebeka no Obinim so aka Kennedy Japan beka no Obinim so aka. So what Kennedy Japan did and they said the phone conversation and in the phone conversation no obehu ne say wo ba no e ka tre Obinim say me kunu kra wonim na fei utumu say Obinim just say I say why you worried say e ba ne say no hu ye men kan tre ne da hwe wo de ukogina eduro so kra no obisa wa men kan just say nini na na ma Ghana for hu say de na Kennedy Japan we kan Obinim say Obinim marry Savior here no ne. And you see, I keep saying this. Me, I ask for proof. In Zambia Kennedy Japan can be me bisa for proof. What the BB2 obi so I see proof. So I tape no what they buy no. So what can the cry? I came here and I said I sat here and I said wait there. Me bisa proof. Ama mensa I can be. That's what I said. And someone me can no. Me see wait there. Me bisa proof. Ama mensa I can be. Because who tie audio ne pa ejibu yo bia ho be so be kan ekre obehu ne say yes na Obinim wo rebo Osofo Savior yere no. Now Kennedy Japan has released a new audio mebo audio na tremo na munya amotie. What does the audio entail? Na audio ni na no eni utumi hu ne say Osofo Savior yere no ne ho ebe tre no em say omo ho be tre omo no ene Osofo Savior wo mo ho ebe tre omo. Now what happened? And they say, what friend will be him? Because Kennedy Japan even explained, say, lady no, now you be away cremoni. Ye jino e will fear her. Say one brand better than maid no. She converted our better than Christo ni. It's in a bush for apple no. Because apparently, Sanet me madame for be, me nim no. Sa one also ye cremoni pan. Atre say one also one day was sorry I was son that I was than Christo ni nebusian phone ni apple no. Inti lady no so nebusian for po no. Inti na fe wo Obinim wo wo ye made say na Obinim ere e was here. Ore won chance according to the audio we all heard. Inti lady no ebenya Savior ware no. When Savior etu ye free Obinim ho a wo mutu ye no audio no kra obet say lady na kan wom say ase wo mutu ye no wo mo ho akire omo na Obinim mbo a wo no lady no because the lady has no one else to go to. Nebusianfo apono because wose sisia wo ye Kristo ni. Woni ni kunu so emu ayeden. It's the only person she can actually run to. Eyo obi nim because no ni obi nim e was her level no embra na wo ye made e wo obi nim ni fie ho. So you see what happened. Into the audio ni mu no wo beti say lady na ka tre obi nim say me ho atre me sre boa me. E na obi nim ka tre lady ne say me boa wa ida say me boa ana say wa ware no begu. Into wo be gia tum say me boa wa ware no ebegu ana. E na lady ne say sisi ade mabre se wo be boa me na ene na ebe ba me sre wo de boa me na enu nsi sisi ade mabre me hu hia me se wo be boa me na ebe na me boa ne so nti na ma wawie egu a meye because me hu tre me pese wo boa me asema lady ne ka tre wo bi nim no eno bi nim ka so okay se sa ade a wo be ti ase se me boa na enu hu nti ama wa wawie egu dia ende me boa wo kan ne de dada kranka me boa o. Hey! After say, Kennedy Japan comment that one no one ma wasem ni nechi no. Was it the main reason why obeying him one per savior asem ene say. Savior no one train ama obeying him anre oba na ewie. Anfa nche ni nsem. Say obeying him ewie oba na say savior so ehu oba na wasori dem ho e na savior no so ye oba na lie. Nti obeying him ni betete no na savior wa for oba na de oba na ko na minim em so oba na nso sebe bibi wo ne ho a eyede nti na eye obi nim ya ende audio a ye bebo a kire no obeti wo mkra se wo ka se meboa wa che se wo pese oboa oba no na oba na ware egu kra na ye nti yende krom ha yentumi mboa obi e manipa ko no na ware engu. Is that what we are saying? People help people who are even married. But on my worry, so I don't understand why Obinim will say that. But you see, I don't want to waste much of your time. Yanko tie audio no na yeko tie ba na emre e wo ho a ye ne mo ebe twetwe nkomo afa ho.
Islam ba say at least bibi you company pa edi shenya me dey ni mo nya me san so hye wani wonyam wo be wi say be free ye pa ye chi ba ye no me dey me fa ho ne me say me nya ma hoto papa wo kasa papa wo che me dey wo na me dey say wo dey boa me enu de enu ehia me pe ma hoto na me pe ani Manu po de wo ka ho krampo ende de jade bia ma na ye me life
because the catcher will claim say you say me wow and because of the community na te bonu we man
say ohonu na ye chat
we man say the one why we man aka we man the catcher say me wow because of the man ka we man say we family to be more family so the wow na say check me yakana wa we be kukurana wo famwa and start to boa it has to be because of the man you can catch
and there's such a man till clear papa uche krampo uche krampo me This is say ya ye ni na no kwa no panye wo kwa no beka mi kunu kwampo no kwampo be hu ne sa say ye pe wasa because o jinu wa won ti ase Martin timi so me hwe wanim
you never to me.
Mate.